Alright, today we're going to make a pumpkin sculpture. You're going to start off with those 4 strips, and what we're going to do is we're going to build it from this green paper up. So the first thing you're going to do with your glue bottle, make sure first of all that that white little plug in the top is gone. Okay? And then you're going to test it, make sure it works. Now it's ready to go. I'm going to put a little dot in the middle of the paper. Then I'm going to take one of the strips and I'm going to try to place it right in the middle of the orange strip. So it's going to be a little bit off on the ends of the paper, and I'm going to just go ahead and hold that. I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to be very patient when you use this type of glue. It's very strong, but it takes a little while for it to dry. Next, you're going to do another dot right in the middle. And you're going to place a strip on top of it this way now. Hold it for 10 counts. Another dot. This one's going to be a diagonal now. Hold that down, really press it in, and you can kind of see that they're going to have another one right over here. So please take your time, be very patient while you're doing this project. Last one goes this way, and then this one I could probably hold for a little bit longer because I want all of it to stay together. So you're going to really hold it, and if it's not working, sit there for a little bit longer. Maybe you count to 30, maybe a minute. Okay, so I think mine's almost ready. I've been holding it pretty strong here, and I think it's ready to start making it 3D. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to take the very first one that I put on here, and I'm going to bring it together. So they're going to be coming together on the top. What I need to do is put a little dot towards the end here. Not a lot, and we're going to bring it together like this, and I'm going to be pinching that, and this you might even have to hold a little bit longer than what you did on the bottom ones. So you just sit there, and sometimes I use 2 fingers to do it, so I pinch it on this side and over here, and you're going to have a lot more luck if you do that because it's really going to hold it in place. Okay? Alright, you gotta get that one to stay. If it comes off, sit there a little bit longer and be very patient. Next, we're going to start bringing up each one at a time. So, actually, you know what? I'm going to do this one next. I think this one will make it a little bit easier. So, every time you bring it up, you're going to put another little dot of glue. If you put too much glue, you're going to have a lot of glue off the sides here, and it's going to be really drippy wet. So you just start bringing them up, hold it. Okay. I think I'm going to bring up this one next. Oops, I didn't hold it long enough, so I need to hold that just a little bit longer. I was trying to go a little bit too fast there. If you try to rush it, it'll actually take a little bit longer. So don't try to go too fast. You'll be okay. You'll get it done on time. Bring up this side, hold it together. Okay, you can squeeze the other ones while you do this. And then I'm going to bring up the last 4 here. That last one's kind of hard because you're running out of space to hold on to. Okay, this one. A lot of glue there now. This one, and then the last one's a little tricky. Okay, so I'm going to bring it up here. And let's see. Hold it in place. It's a little slippery right now, so I need to hold it in place. and hopefully this will stay in place, and then I can start building some other things on my pumpkin sculpture. Alright, I'm going to test it here to see if it works. Oops, not quite ready. So you have to be very patient, like I said. And I think I'm going to leave that one there for right now. Okay, if it starts coming apart, again, just hold it a little bit longer as you work, and that should do well. After that, you're going to be bringing it over to me, and I'm going to put on the top part. If you want to make other things, like little springs coming off here, if you want to make little sculptures on the side, so just remember you can go like this part, you just fold it over here and here, and you can actually make a little sculpture and little things that pop up all around your work today. You could even take some markers and you could even draw around it to add some extra decoration and something neat around the outside. Alright guys, good luck with your work today.